Good morning, everybody. How are you all? Today we are going to solve an algebra word problem in the quantity of mixture. So without further ado, let me share my computer screen with you. Says a pharmacist needs 8 ounces of a solution that is 50% saline. How many ounces of a 60% saline and a 20% saline solution be mixed together to obtain the mixture needed? So let X represent the amount of 60% saline solution and let Y represent the amount of 20% saline solution. So we have the 60% solution and the 20% solution. So we took X of the 60% and Y of the 20% solution. So total solution amount is equal to X plus Y, and that is equal to 8, because the pharmacist needs an 8 ounce of the total solution, final solution. And total salt. So this is 60% solution of X. So this is 60% is 0.6 times X. And this is 0.2, 20% solution times Y. Also, the final, we know 0.6X plus 0.2Y. That should be equal to this 8 ounce of a 50% solution, 8 times 0.5, which is 4. So if I move this a little bit up, we have X plus Y is equal to 8 and 0.6X plus 0.2Y is equal to 4. Let's call this equation 1. Let's call this equation 2. So we notice the coefficient of Y in the first equation is 1. The coefficient of Y in the second equation is 0.2. So multiply both sides of equation 1 by minus 0.2. So we get minus 0.2 times X minus 0.2 times Y is equal to 8 times minus 0.2, which is minus 1.6. Call this equation 3. So we have equation 3 and equation 2, which is 0.6X plus 0.2Y is equal to 4. This is equation 2. So we are going to add them together, y, then 0.2y will cancel with negative 2y. So minus 0.2x, add 3 and 2. Minus 0.2x minus 0.2y plus 0.6x plus 0.2y is equal to minus 1.6 plus 4. So now in this equation, this one cancels with this one. Minus 0.2y cancels with positive 0.2y. So this should be 0.6x. So we have 0.6x minus 0.2x is equal to 4 minus 1.6, or 0.6 minus 0.2 is 0.4x is equal to 4 minus 1.6 is 2.4. Now this is 0.4 times x, so we have to separate the constant 0.4 from x. Since it's multiplied by, we do the opposite, which is divide by 0.4 on both sides. When we do that, this and this cancels. So this just 0.x, let me clarify that. This is x stays. So x is equal to 2.4 divided by 0.4, which is 6. So now we will substitute the value of x in the first equation, equation 1, which is x plus y equal to 8. So substitute the value of x in equation 1, which is x plus y is equal to 8. So x is 6 plus y is equal to 8. Now we have to remove the 6 from the left-hand side, and the way we do that is subtract 6 on both sides. So y is equal to 2. So the ordered pair, the solution is 6 and 2. What are these? Oops, sorry. So remember, x is the 60% saline solution and y is the 20% saline solution. So 6 ounces of 60% saline solution and 2 ounces of 20% saline solution. This is your answer. Ordered pair, written as an ordered pair. So let me make sure. Yep. So let me go over the steps what I did. Let x represent the amount of 60% saline solution, y represent the amount of 20% saline solution. So we know the total quantity x plus y, and that is given equal to 8. Now we will find out total salt in each solution. In the 60% solution, it's 0.6x. In the 20% solution, is 0.2y. Now, the final solution is 50% saline. So that means in the final solution, 8 times 0.5 equal to 4. So that means 0.6x plus 0.2y is equal to 8 times 0.5 is 4. Now we have two equations, x plus y is equal to 8, which is original equation number 1. And equation number 2 is 0.6x plus 0.2y equal to 4. Since the coefficient of y in the equation 1 is just 1, we will multiply equation 1 both sides of equation, this should be 1. Equation 1 by 0.2. Okay, by 0.2. Why? Then it will become minus 0.2x times minus 0.2y, minus 0.2x minus 0.2y, because I'm multiplying by minus 0.2 on both sides of equation 1, is 8 times minus 0.2, which is minus 1.6. Now we already have the second equation as 0.6x plus 0.2y equal to 4. Okay, so let me write this clearly. This is 4. Okay, so now we add equation 3 and equation 2. And what happens? The y terms cancel, and we are left with minus 0.2x plus 0.6x is equal to 4 minus 1.6. So that means 0.4x is equal to 2.4. Now to remove the 0.4, because it's 0.4 times x, we divide by 0.4 on both sides. Solve for x is equal to 2.4 divided by 0.4, which is 6. And therefore y, when we substitute back in equation 1, x is 6, then y becomes equal to 2. So my answer, the ordered pair, is 6, 2. That's my ordered pair, 6, 2. So what does it mean? We are going to make 6 ounces of 60% saline solution and 2 ounces of 20% saline solution to get the final 8-ounce solution of 0.5, 50% saline. I will stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I have solved all kinds of math problems, algebra, geometry, statistics. So please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next time with another problem, another solution. Do not forget to check me out. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.